Hey y'all, welcome back. And today we're doing some more experimenting. As you know, I do a lot of firsts right here on this channel. I try it out on camera. What better way to find if you're right or wrong, just go ahead and do it and see how it turns out. We've done a lot of smash burgers, a lot of different variations of smash burgers in the past. Today I want to try an Aloha Smashburger, a Hawaiian style. We're going to use some, teriyaki seasonings and some pineapples and all kind of good stuff. I'll show you that here in just a second. But I do believe it's going to be really good. In my mind, I think it's going to be great. We'll try it out. We'll see how it turns out. And like I've said before, if I mess up, you know not to do it. If I do it right, hey, do it again. Nothing wrong with that. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and fire this thing up and let's get to cooking. Let's get it fired up. I think today I'm only going with these 2 middle burners, and we're going to go down to about a medium. Right in there somewhere. All right, ingredients for this smash burger, I think it's going to be very, very simple. Now, instead of using ground beef, I'm using ground pork. I got about a 4 to 5 ounce ball here of ground pork. I have 2 slices of thin sliced Swiss cheese. I got a sweet Hawaiian roll, or bun, I should say. It's not a roll, it's a bun. 2 slices of pineapple back here. Got some butter to toast our bread up with. Now, I'm going to season that pork with some sweet teriyaki. I think that's going to turn out pretty good. And then I'm going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's on there to kind of give it a tang. So I think altogether, it's very simple ingredients, but I think it's going to turn out great. Well, there's that white smoke. Time to get some groceries on this griddle. Let's throw down a little bit of oil. Don't need much. They can just kind of spread it around there. Throw a burger on. Grab parchment paper and a smasher. Hold it for roughly 10 seconds. See what we got. There it is. Let's go ahead and hit it with some seasoning now. Get that sweet teriyaki on there. Oh, that right there changed the smell of this griddle altogether. That smells so good on here. Throw our pineapples on here now. Get them right here. We'll hit them a little seasoning too. Man, I'm feeling like there might be a luau here in a little bit. Look at those pineapple in this burger on here. And that pineapple's gonna griddle up just good. Look at there. That burger's already starting to bubble up in the middle. You get nice and juicy in there. Oh yeah. I think this is gonna turn out pretty good. I say it's time to flip this burger already. Now what you wanna get is a spatula with a good beveled edge on it and a good wide spatula. Kind of get up in there and get that crust stuck to the burger, flip it on over. Like that there. That is looking good. Let's flip these pineapples too. Oh yeah, perfect. I say now we flipped everything, we add a little more seasoning. Get that seasoning on them pineapples. Get some more on that burger back there. Oh yeah, we're gonna be eating good here in a minute. Let's go ahead and throw that cheese on, get it melting down while the other side cooks. Cheese on here. Now we can't forget to toast that bun. So let's get them buns on here. Throw down some butter right here. Throw our buns on. Man, that pork burger right there is looking so good. And y'all look at the char on this pineapple. Oh, and that sweet Hawaiian bun right there. It's toasting up. Gonna make for a good burger, y'all. These buns been on here about 30 seconds, so let's flip them over and let's see how they're toasted. Oh, look at that toast on there, y'all. Yes, sir, buddy. That's what I'm wanting right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at that char on that pineapple. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Just what I'm wanting. Get a light toast on the outside of that bun, and we're gonna take these things up and we're gonna build us a Aloha burger. Let's see what the backside is looking like. Yep, good enough. Slide that over. Slide a pineapple over here. Get our burger over here. kill the heat. I'll grab my cutting board and we're gonna build this burger. Throw it down. Throw buns on here. Now from here, you can build this burger however you want. Pineapple on bottom and top, you can do that. You want the sauce on the bottom, however you want to do this, you can build the burger like you want to build this burger. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build this burger. Let's see here. Then we'll grab my patty right there, put it on there. Ooh, that's so pretty. I think I'll grab me some of these pineapples right here, kind of put them on here like that, like so. I'm gonna take the Sweet Baby Rays right here, give it a little tang. Don't need much, I don't think. Just kind of trying to be gentle with it here. Come on. There you go, just kind of lightly put it on there like that. Honestly, like CJ does, a little post dust will never hurt. But just kind of post dust some teriyaki on top. That's looking good. I gotta show you this up close before we crown it. I want you to see just how amazing this burger. I mean, look at the crust on that pork, the char on that pineapple, that tangy barbecue, that Swiss. You see that teriyaki seasoning on this toasted bun. Oh yeah, this is coming together great. So what you say we top it off? There it is. My version of the Aloha burger. That really does like it might be pretty good to me. Look at that toast on that bun, even on the outside. The barbecue sauce, that pineapple. I gotta get some thumbnail pics and we gotta cut this thing up and we gotta try it out. Let's just cut it right through here. Let's open this thing up. Look at that. Oh boy, that looks amazing in there. Yes, it does. Pretty simple to put together, not many ingredients, very simple. Let me know in the comments down below what you might add, take away, do different to your Hawaiian burger. But this one, I gotta go ahead and give it a try. Right. That's delicious. I think the ground pork really makes the difference. It's not overpowering, but it gives it a unique flavor. Teriyaki seasoning is on point. Added with that Swiss cheese, that barbecue sauce gives a little tang, that pineapple gives a little sweetness in there on top of that. On top of that toasted bun, I'm telling you, this is an amazing burger. It really is good. I suggest you try it out. Super simple, quick and easy. And it's a good variation to a smash burger. Just a plain, nothing wrong with a plain smash burger. And I'm not saying that, I love them. But you can change it up. You can make something different. Just change your seasonings, change your toppings. You got an entirely different burger. So try it out, let me know what you think. Would love to know how you do yours different. Make it your own, whatever, I don't care, but let me know. I would love to know, because I like knowing how you do yours and maybe trying it. Can't never tell. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. One more thing, if you're still sticking around, there's a join button down below. It's just another great way to support this channel. It does take money to do all this kind of stuff sometimes, so we really appreciate your support and no obligation. Still love you either way. The thumbs up, subscribing, everything is doing great. We really appreciate that. But it's just another way, if you want to help support the channel. With that being said, I'll see you next time.